Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm sharing my picks for the best wireless home security systems of 2025. If you're looking for easy setup, smart features, and peace of mind without breaking the bank, you're in the right place. Let's dive in. Number 1, eufySecurity eufyCam 2C3 Cam Kit. This first pick is the eufySecurity eufyCam 2C3 Cam Kit. If you want top-notch security without monthly fees, this one's a winner. The 1080p HD cameras cover a wide 135-degree field of view, perfect for monitoring both indoors and outdoors. Battery life: up to 6 months on a single charge, so no constant recharging. Plus, smart motion detection focuses on people, not pets, and night vision is crisp and clear. Pros: clear 1080p HD, long battery, weatherproof, human detection, and no monthly fees. Cons: limited to 1080p, manual focus, and occasional charging needed. Number 2, SimpliSafe 9-piece system. Next up is the SimpliSafe 9-piece wireless system with HD camera. Setup is a breeze, just plug in the base, place your sensors, and connect through the app. It's renter-friendly with no drilling required. You get 4 entry sensors, 2 motion sensors, and a 1080p camera with a privacy shutter. Pet-friendly, smart assistant compatible, and optional 24/7 monitoring make this system very versatile. Pros: quick DIY setup, affordable monitoring, pet-friendly, Alexa and Google Assistant compatible. Cons: professional monitoring only in the US, full features require a paid plan, backup battery is limited. Number 3, SimpliSafe 8-piece system. If you want something simple and effective, the SimpliSafe 8-piece system is worth a look. It comes with 4 entry sensors, a motion sensor, a panic button, and a smash-safe keypad. The app lets you arm or disarm anywhere, and professional monitoring is available if you subscribe. Perfect for those who want peace of mind without tech headaches. Pros: easy DIY setup, no contracts, pet-friendly, smart home compatible. Cons: subscription needed for full features, video capped at 720p. Number 4, Xsense Smart Home Security System. For a budget-friendly, expandable option, check out the Xsense 5-piece set. It's easy to install with tape or screws, connects to the Xsense app, and works with Alexa. Batteries last up to 5 years, which is amazing. This is ideal for renters or anyone wanting a simple starter kit. Pros: easy DIY setup, long battery life, affordable, expandable, and Alexa support. Cons: 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi only, starter kit is basic, no camera included. Number 5, SimpliSafe 5-piece system. Finally, for a straightforward, no-frills solution, the SimpliSafe 5-piece system is perfect for beginners. It includes a base station, keypad, entry sensor, motion sensor, and key fob. Easy to set up, expandable, and works with Alexa and Google Assistant. Great for smaller homes or those just starting out. Pros: easy DIY, affordable, pet-friendly, expandable. Cons: limited starter sensors, backup battery lasts 24 hours. All 5 of these systems make securing your home easier than ever. If you want my top pick, I'd go with the eufyCam 2C for no monthly fee reliability, or SimpliSafe 9-piece for versatility and smart features. I've linked all of them in the description below so you can check prices and specs. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more home tech reviews. Stay safe out there.